Hey guys, Heather here from Portland Volvo with a 2020 Honda Accord Sport in crystal black pearl with a black interior. This super clean front wheel drive mid-size sedan has under 9,000 miles on it. It's got a radar-based safety system, and that is located underneath the license plate on the front bumper, and that has lane keeping aid and forward collision notification. 19-inch wheels, those are a hot commodity. I think they really look sharp with this, so the contrasting black. Dual integrated tailpipes. 2.0 turbo gives you 252 horsepower. There's a decent amount of space in the back here. And it's a 60-40 split. And you release the backs of the seats by pulling on these tabs here. There's a ton of space in the back seat for your passengers. And this is just such a clean car. It has a decent stereo system. Seat controls here on the side. Screen, your ignition button here. Got your home screen here. This has heated seats. This closes to make it a nice sleek interior, and then when you open it, you've got some power and a ton of space there. This has push button gear shifters. You got to put it in sport mode. When you do that, it lights up red on the sides. So recommended if you're liking this car, put it in sport mode. Cup holders. You can also plug in for Apple CarPlay on the right or Android Auto. Well, if you're ready for this mid-size sedan, it's ready for you. It's stock number 6098B, and Portland Volvo has all the details, and we'd love to see you soon. Thank you so much for watching from Portland Volvo.